Hello and welcome to our DIY. How are your Christmas preparations? Prayers, gifts, family gatherings, food. Christmas is one of my favorite seasons of the year. Hence, I get so much busy crafting, decorating, and cooking to feel the charm of the season. That's why I'm bringing to you in this video a new recipe to make some crunchy Christmas salty crackers. These crackers are crunchy on the outside and healthy on the inside, made essentially without butter and with ingredients that you can find them in your pantry. I guarantee you will do them more than once this year. I'd like to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet and turn on the notification button. And now I can hear the jingle bells, so let's do these crackers together. Join me in this video. I am Rafa from Why Not DIY.
First, start by activating the yeast. Add 1 teaspoon of yeast to a half cup of warm water, then add 1 tablespoon of sugar and mix the ingredients. Wait for 15 minutes or until a foam forms on top of the water. In a bowl, add 1.5 cup of flour, half teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Mix the ingredients, then add the yeast mixture and knead. You may need a few tablespoons of water to form a soft dough, but make sure to add them 1 spoon at a time. If you want to flavor your crackers, divide the dough into equal bowls and add garlic, thyme, paprika, or any preferred seasoning. Knead to ensure the seasonings are spread across the dough balls. Transfer the dough to a bowl brushed with oil, then cover them and let rest for 20 minutes. Roll the dough and start cutting using the shapes of your choice. Then brush the crackers and spray them with olive oil. Finally, bake the crackers for 10 to 12 minutes at 180 degrees.
Here are the Christmas crackers. They are salty, healthy, crunchy, and of course delicious. As mentioned, they are made with different flavors to suit everybody's taste buds. You can crack them as snacks or add them to a crudité platter next to your favorite dip on Christmas Eve. Finally, thank you for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please give it a good rating and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. See you online!